Pamukkale is home to the world-famous white travertine thermal pools, which have been a popular tourist destination in this region since 2nd century BC. Pamukkale has always been a favorite destination for travelers from all ages. Since it was initially created in the 2nd century BC, being able to bathe in these beautiful white pools full of turquoise blue water has been one of the great joys for tourists from all over the world. It's incredible to see an entire hill covered in beautiful white terrace thermal pools. But it's not only that. There are many additional things to do in Pamukkale, and we'll focus on those in our travel guide. One of Turkey's most renowned picture postcard images is one of the magnificent white calcium pools that cling to the edge of a mountain. Pamukkale, which literally means cotton castle, is also the location of Hierapolis, an ancient city with numerous intriguing remains, and is a popular short visit destination, but this we'll cover later in our video. Pamukkale was created on a spring with a high concentration of dissolved calcium bicarbonate cascaded over the cliff's edge, cooling and hardening to produce calcium deposits. This resulted in the formation of natural pools, shelves and ridges into which visitors might plunge and splash in the warm water. The upper level of travertines may get very busy, so if you want a calmer location to bathe, we recommend walking down a bit to the lower level, where you should be far enough away from the people to genuinely appreciate the sight. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. One especially stunning area fed by the same hot springs as the Pamukkale white travertine pools is located above them, named Cleopatra Antique Pool. You might take a dip in the same waters that Cleopatra once bathed in. These ancient therapeutic waters may be enjoyed in a properly operated spa complex. Unlike the lower pools, which have white water, the antique pool, which was loved by Cleopatra, Queen of Egypt, has pure, clear, warm water. It was once surmounted by a Roman temple dedicated to Apollo, with an elegant roof supported by Doric columns. Imagine how Cleopatra must have felt back in the day when it was its glory days. Today it is Roman ruin, but no less spectacular for it. Immerse yourself in the pool and carefully make your way around the fallen columns and other Roman antiquities while soaking up the water's healing powers. Sit in the shallows and rest on the beautiful columns, or pose for a picture while carefully balancing on one of the temple's numerous submerged carved stones. Hierapolis is an ancient Greek city near the Pamukkale travertines that was established in 190 BC. The ancient city of Hierapolis was likely visited by many ancient and tourists since the travertines have been utilized as a spa from the 2nd century BC. The presence of a huge necropolis within the city also gave insight on the individuals who formerly called it home. They were mostly seniors hoping to get away from bustle of neighboring Greek cities and spend their final days at the spa. Along two sides of the main road towards the city, there are various ruins and columns, as well as a big necropolis and what appears to be a Byzantine church that you may walk about in. It's a wonderful place but very little shade, so be sure to prepare for the heat if you are visiting Pamukkale in the summer. The Great Theatre of Hierapolis, a vast amphitheatre built by the Roman Empire in the 2nd century AD, is one of the most remarkable structures in the ancient city of Hierapolis. It is said that the theatre can accommodate over 15,000 people, which is pretty impressive for the day, and you can really feel just how thrilling it must have been to see a concert at such a large venue with other 15,000 participants.